Okay, today's February 23rd, 2026, and it's time for the blizzard. So this is the update. It's about 6:30, I guess, in the morning, 6:40, I don't know. It's very windy. So we're supposed to get 18 inches. It looks like it's about 12. So let's take a look out there and see what's going on. It's still blowing pretty good. As you can see, I showed up here at the mall so that I could get my run in. So this is the best place to come when there's a snowstorm, because it's like running indoors. There's nobody here and I'm having a good time. So the snow is expected to taper off by like 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning. Doesn't look like it's slowing down much. Roads are pretty bad. I'm just about finishing up. I got about 4.5 miles in today. So we'll see how it goes.